Welcome back and take a look at the gold prices now, where we are looking at steady moves coming in. $1,800 per ounce is holding, and that does look smart on the charts. And where are we headed for 2023 then? And should you be including gold in your portfolio? Let's get in. Surendra Mehta, he's Director IBJA, to answer some of those questions. Mr. Mehta, hi, good to have you. How are you looking at the gold performance in the year gone by? I mean, clearly for the Indian markets, rupee has been one of the greater inputs there to see where the rupee is ending in this year. How do you look at the currency? How do you look at the physical buying at these moments with these prices?
Manisha, absolutely. What I hear this was for the gold industry. The gold prices in the last 52 weeks were moving between $1,615 to almost $2,070. The INR versus dollar, that was almost from 74 rupees to 83 rupees now. And dollar index from 95 to about 115, 114 to 0.75 to be precise. So this was, I think 2022 was the year for gold, and that is how we saw a big rally in gold coming in, and big downfall also in the gold coming in the international market. But as far as India is concerned, because India is concerned, the gold prices went up almost to 55,000. Precisely because the rupee in our country has weakened too much. Almost if there is a depreciation in 1 rupee, the gold prices per kg will rise by almost 60,000 rupees. So almost 6 lakhs rupees per kg gold has increased. Only because of the depreciation in the rupee by 9 rupees. So this was how the gold market performed from 1615 now to the lowest level. Now we are at almost at 1800 level, and I think we will see a tremendous year for the gold industry for 2023.
So, the street seems quite divided when you look at the forecast or the outlook for 2023. There are expectations that we could be looking at prices below 1600 also. 1575 till time is what the most bearish outlook that I've seen. But on the higher side, you have some of those obnoxious numbers like 3000 and 4000 as well. But $2,000 per ounce to 2200 is a level which most banks and brokerages believe is achievable. What is your sense?
Absolutely, Manisha. In your many earlier shows, I have stated that my expectation in 2023 would be between $2,050 to $2,150. So I'm looking at Indian price of nearly 63,000 rupees, and I will tell you the reason behind this. The first reason is the dollar index has been continuously falling. In spite that dollar index is going down, it is almost near 104 now. The gold prices, though gold prices are increasing, the rupee is continuously weakening in our country, and that is a big reason for worry for all of us. Secondly, everybody now, even the topmost equity market analysts have been saying that we are entering into a recession. If the central bank have started buying the gold in some of the countries, we have already witnessed this, and probably this report will come out somewhere in the last week of January. Many central banks have started buying. ETF, I personally feel, will start buying gold probably from 15th of January or the first week of February. So this is the main reason that other gold is set to perform amongst all the other asset class, because I personally feel that recession will be the key factor for increasing the gold prices.
And then it's never a straight line really, because this year as well we've seen a $400 of a range almost. So when it comes to buying, a lot of people would love buying gold especially when they hear those mouth-watering forecast of 60,000 plus kind of levels in case of gold. But at 55,000, there perhaps may not be so many takers. So what is the kind of dips that the markets can look forward to?
See, I personally feel that 2023 should see a range between $17
okay,
to $2,150. So in Indian price, we should be looking at, if the dollar remains at 83, INR to dollar is at 83, we should be looking at something between 51,000 to 63,000.
That's about gold. And what's your sense about silver? Because we've seen some outperformance coming from silver in the recent few sessions there. $24 per ounce or thereabout holding. What is the range that you're working with that one?
See, as far as silver is concerned, there is a big support level at $22.80. If it does not breach $22.80, then I think we are heading for a very big move in the silver. In my opinion, if silver crosses $24.9, then the next target would be $27, and thereafter the next target would be $32. So the major support comes at $22.8 at the spot price. So in my opinion, if you consider all this in Indian currency, I would say we should look at silver in the range of 63,000 rupees to almost 95,000 rupees in 2000.
Okay, then.
Okay, so incremental money, you would say put in gold or silver?
Well, I would always prefer to put money in gold, because silver, I think you better trust the yellow metal than the white.
Yellow for the win. All right. Thanks a lot, Mr. Mehta. Manisha, thank you for joining in and giving us the outlook for 2023 for gold and silver. With that, we are out of time on this edition of Halftime Report. You stay tuned.